I have a whole shit ton of pedals here. I won't bother like naming them all, but some fun ones, some fun sounds I like to make. This is a new one. Very whistly, but it combines well with other stuff, say let's see what else. What other ridiculous shit could I do on here?
Good shit.
Oh jeez. Try to make like a UFO kind of sound. All right, actual favorite sounds though. Actually, some not bullshit. I've yet to actually find a use for that shit in any kind of song or live setting, but I would love to.
Maybe an intro or an outro.
If I could play dubstep with my guitar, I will fucking call that a win. But, it's also, practicality things. Sometimes just need some good old funky things. Gotta have the toys. Gotta have them.
Out of all your toys, do you have a favorite one? Most worthwhile investment of yours?
Oh God. Yeah. Honestly, okay. Well, I'm gonna name two in terms of just like great bang for your buck that a guitar player would definitely pick up on is this overdrive pedal, this thing called the Dude by J Rocket Audio. Fabulous. Shout out. It's just it plays great.
Mm-hmm.
But for fun, like just effects, gotta give it to this Meris Auto Bit. This thing is something else. It's does more than I can even explain. Hold on. I use this a lot on the album. It's madness.